Hi guys, I just returned back from Toys R Us for my cousin's birthday when I looked for this. The E.T. Funko Pop. My all-time favorite character is E.T. from the universe. And as you can tell, I am a huge fan of E.T. as, with my duties and 4K, and I really love this Funko. But unfortunately, you can already see it. I don't know if you can see it, but what I can see. Okay, now turn on the light so you can see better. Okay, so I got the light now, and that's, oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see it, but very. Alright, let me see it from the side. Yeah, as you can see, kind of, there is a very big hole there. So I'm praying that the Funko Pop does not break on me. And, get Funko Pop movies. E.T. with flowers. He's never, I don't know. I just say 12.55. But it's 1,255. So, and I did see this at Cineplex when I saw Titanic 40th anniversary. I did manage to see him on the shelf, but unfortunately I didn't get him. But I have him now. And I did see Gertie and E.T. in Disguise, but I think E.T. in Disguise is popular. And right off the bat, I never realized E.T. wearing, okay, you know what, it's not gonna work, but it looks like a badger snake, sort of. And unfortunately, you didn't see E.T. and Elliot, unfortunately. But you got nice Funko Pops for the 40th anniversary. And I do not have a 40th anniversary 4K for it, unfortunately. And I'm still looking for, a Hogwarts Legacy Xbox One copy at Walmart. But they only have it online, but I can't buy it. But, of course, you got E.T. on the side here. And a nice, beautiful picture with, the movie's name, E.T. Extra-Terrestrial. Got a very nice, realistic shot of the iconic bike ride scene, and of course, you got Anthem Entertainment there. But it doesn't make sense at all to me whatsoever, because the Anthem Entertainment logo does not appear anywhere, like at all. Even if you just watch the original version of E.T. or whatever, it just doesn't make sense. Well, I mean, I get it though. Anthem Entertainment. I'm not sure about that one, but ignore the phone. But now I'm going to carefully unbox this without breaking it. Okay. Well, okay. Okay. Okay, well, okay, you know what? Put it right here and just going to carefully take this out. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, well, here he is, the E.T. It's very, very cute. He stands. I don't know how tall he is, but it doesn't look like I can move him, so unfortunately, the head does not move for this E.T. figure, unfortunately. But he will do very nice with my E.T. collection. But unfortunately, I don't really have any E.T. Funkos. And he has very nice paint designs. And and he is an alien, so yeah. That is E.T. with flowers Funko Pop.